Here's a 2018 Chevrolet Equinox. Stylish, energized, and ready to take off, this is a multitasker that doesn't compromise. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. Turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, dual zone climate control, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, rear parking sensors, heated steering wheel, power tilt-down heated mirrors, voice activation, hands-free liftgate, doors and push-button start proximity key, and heated and ventilated leather bucket seats. There's more than a century of ingenuity and significance in every Chevy. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.